can hear the demons call when they...
So what is up mga detective, nandito kami sa bagong Gateway 2 Mall. Kumain kami ng Italian gelato dito sa Che Buono. Samahan nyo kami, tatakawin na naman namin kayo. Let's go! Bago ko nga pala simulan to, ito yung napakasimple nilang instruction on how to order. Ngayon, magtungo naman tayo sa mga visuals ng mga pwede mong orderin sa kanila ng mga flavors. Now, let's hit the music.
Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night? Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. They know that we're calling it love. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come.
Tulad ng ibang ice cream store, pwede ka dito mag-taste test ng flavor na gusto try muna bago mo orderin. Kaya dito, ang tinikman ni Leslie ay banana chocolate at tiramisu. At syempre, hindi din ako nagpauli at tinikman ko din ito. Mas nagustuhan ko yung tiramisu, kaya nag-decide kami isang order namin ay ito. Ngayon sa turn ko naman, ang gusto kong tikman itong ubi cheese at espresso crumble.
Para siyang coffee.
Parehong masarap yung pinagpilian ko. Yung ube cheese ay familiar na palette nating mga Pinoy at thick ube flavor makes it better. Ang pinili ko ay yung espresso crumble since I'm a coffee lover and ang lakas ng dating nito sa akin. Si Leslie naman ang pinili itong tiramisu.
Must try ito yun. Nakita mo, must try.
Pareha sila.
Ay, pala sila? Yung banana chocolate.
Unahin ko muna yung espresso crumble na pinili ko at may buo-buong bits pa nga ito. At yung bait taste ng espresso at tamang tamis ay perfect harmony. Yung tiramisu naman ay multiple layers of flavor ang meron dito. Ang isang to ay for everyone, kahit bata magugustuhan ito. 2 times tamis level ang meron dito plus slight coffee flavor and creaminess nito makes this one very very special. So wala na akong masabi pa, so that's it for this food trip. See you later, Kira Kids, bye-bye.